In this video, I'm going to show you how to send snaps without uploading media. So firstly, go to your gallery, select the media that you want to use. So for example here, let's say I want to use this picture here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, just tap on it and I'm going to click on the three dots on the top right and then hit on copy. Okay, once I've copied these, now I'm going to go and open up Snapchat. So open up Snapchat and take a blank snap. Okay, just any blank background or anything like that, just take a blank snap and then click on the text option here. So click on the text option and then here just paste the image that we copied. So here just paste it and then you can just resize it, click and drag, resize it, move it, and if you want to add any text or any other editing you want to do, just do that. Once you're done, click on send to and then choose whom do you want to send it to. Just tap on it and then hit on send. Okay, and if you see now here, these snap will be sent as a snap without media uploading, and that's basically pretty much it is.